Alright, Bob's calling me over. I'm sure it's silver because that's all he ever gets. See all these bricks. What we got, Bob? Showing him the Indian range. Let's get a look at his. Not sure if you guys can see that. 1235, 1236, 1135. All right, let's see what we got. Up there. That shovel sucks, doesn't it?
It does. See the roundness.
According to where we got roundness.
Maybe.
I don't see it. Where did you see it at? Still in the hole. Like how Bob spray painted his pinpointer. Is that it? A rivet.
It's a beautiful rivet.
Yeah.
Wanted to be an Indian.
Next time it will be. Thanks for watching.